Hello, beautiful people. Hi, guys. Good morning. This is day one of the year 2024, and look at our weather. Oh my god. Oof. Actually, guys, I'm walking here in the road because look here. This is supposed to be the pedestrian or the walking path. It's the walking path for people, but then they wasn't able to plow it because I think it's too much snow that come that they cannot just do it. So I'm actually on the way to work now, and look, oh, you can just see the wind is really strong. Oh, that's why my eyes is like teary eyes. And look, this is the way to the bus stop, so I think I need to walk here and just walk in the side. It's actually very dangerous to walk in the road because when the wind blows, it's like you cannot see anything at all. Okay, so that's supposed to be the walking path, guys. So, and I'm walking here in the road where the car goes, and look, you can see that's really snowing a lot and the wind is blowing so much. And this is the shopping center right here. Oof, I'm facing the rain and the snow, facing the wind. So now I just need to walk here because it's really dangerous here in the roads. I need to go here. Oh, my god, this is crazy. Look, you can really see the wind, how strong that is. I think they really cannot plow it, the road, since it's too much snow where the car goes. So that's the priority, I think. Oh, it's so slippery as well, guys. Oh my god. This is the first day of the year. I supposed to start filming when I come out of the house, but then when I come out of the door, we're facing the wind, so it's really hard to film anything. Look, I have snow in my eyebrows and in my eyes. My lips is very dry. I'm actually working in a restaurant, guys. That's why we're open today. But normally stores are closed. Look, there's no people around. I don't even know if I have customers today. We'll just see. Oh, I'm glad there's not so much snow where I go this time, in this area. But look again. Oh my god, this is crazy. Actually, guys, I live here in Norway for 6 years, and this is really the first time that I experienced so much snow like this here in Kristiansand. Like, it's crazy. It's crazy how much snow is coming. It started yesterday at night, Sunday night, and now it's Monday, and I couldn't believe it that it's really going to be like this. I couldn't imagine how much more the ones that are living in the north Norway, which experience really much snow. I don't know how they can handle it. I love winter, but when it's like this and the wind is strong and stuff like that, it's really hard, especially when you're going to work. And maybe it's okay if you're just staying at home. Oh. Look at the stores. You just plowed the way here because this is where the car goes, because there's a car wash right there. So the car can go here, but look at in front of the stores, guys. It's really so much snow there. It's not been plowed at all. Actually, I see cars that's been stuck in the road, buses that's been stuck in the road, and also I see people that's digging their cars out of the snow, from the snow, and some people plowing their entrances of the house because it's so much snow. It's actually really crazy. Oh, look here. On the other side, it's not been plowed there, and that's the snow. All the snow that's there. Look, guys, how much snow is coming. Look at that. And you know what? It's gonna snow from yesterday night until Thursday. So it's gonna be more that's coming. Hello guys, good morning. Look at our outside. It's still so much snow. This is day 2. No, actually this is day 3. Hi Liam. Ililipot. Hi. Yeah, oh, so cold. Yeah. Hi. Ja. Are you cold? Are you cold? Look guys. It's a lot of snow. Hindi ko pa naman pag-awasan. Ang magugos man ni ay. Hello. Hey, katugnaw Liam. Look guys, this is already Tuesday, so this is the second day, or shall I say third day, which is where, because it was snowing Sunday, right? So look. Wow. Look. The snow is coming to our door. Usually there's not so much snow here, guys, in our balcony. Look at that. Even our grill has so much snow, if you can see it. Oh, cold. Oh my god. Oi! Look guys, the door will not go anymore because of the snow. Look at that. Look, that's outside, our outside right now, guys, at the moment. See? Actually, guys, I don't mind when it's snowing, but it's the wind. That's really my worst enemy. Look. It's a lot. The snow, look, it's nice going in my eyes while I'm walking. It's crazy. Now this is true. Today is Tuesday, so it will be snowing until Thursday. My goodness. So that's the houses, guys. Look. And this is the road. Oh my god. The bus just stopped here. That's good. Hi. Hi guys, so I'm at the city right now, and look at our walking street here in Kristiansand. Oh my god. It's a lot of snow view, guys. This side also. Okay, so actually this is the first time that I see this Markinsgata, because you know, here in the middle, this is the walking street, right? So they put a cable here, like to warm the street, so the snow that will come will just melt so fast. So every time there's snow, all the roads is covered with snow, but this here in the walking street is not really, there's not really snow, guys, because it's always going to melt. But now, since it's too much snow for it to handle, so look at the street. This is the walking street that look like in Markinsgata now. This is how it is right now, guys. It's actually fun. It's a new experience for me. Oh. And now we're facing the snow. It's crazy, right? It's really the first time I've been here, guys, that it's really a lot of snow here in the city center. It's just amazing also. Look at the benches. Trees.